Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the large horn on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in into your Mobile Legend account, you need to go to inventory, the menu on the right below over here, and then after in the inventory menu you can scroll down, keep scroll down until you find the large horn icon like this, and then you can click use, and then you can type the message that you want to broadcast into the channel. Okay, for me, for example, like this. Okay, click OK, and then you will like this on the channel. Okay, over here. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.